addition. Now we have to see the subtraction. Addition means adding the things into it. Okay, putting things together. It's called as addition. Now what is the meaning of subtraction that we have to see? Subtraction means take away and count how many are left. Which are the remaining, that number we have to count. How many are there remaining? Taken out. Take out is called as subtraction. Now we'll see the examples, then you will understand. Here are the 4 balloons. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balloons are here. 2 get deflated. 2 get deflated from these 2. Means 1 and 2. Then how many remaining? Just 1, 2. 2. So what is the meaning of this? That 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. We can show the subtraction by this sign. Is called as minus. It is called as minus. Next example is, here are the 5 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From that 3 has eaten. From the 5, 3 has eaten, means take away, minus 3. How many will remain? 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2. Answer is 2. Understood? This is called as subtraction. Subtraction means take away from the given number. Getting? Okay. Now we will see the exercise number 1 and what we have to do in the exercise number 1. First question, it is here. Just see. Count the objects in each and write the number in the space provided. The first one has been done for you. First example, 6 frogs sit on the stone. Seat is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 2 jumps in the water. From that 6, 2 jumps in the water. Then 2 will get down. How many are remaining there? 1, 2, 3 and 4 frogs are there. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. This is the first example which has done for you. Next example, see the student, 7 flowers on the plant. 4 fall down, means 7 take away the 4. From the 7 take away the 4 is equal to, how many are there? Check it, 1, 2, 3. So 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Next example is, leaves are there. How many leaves are there on the tree? 9 leaves on the tree. 4 fall down. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 fall down. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Get it? Okay. Now here is the exercise number 2. By crossing out. The first one has been done for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bags are there and 2 has taken out. So we have to cross on that 2. We will get the 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Next example of elephant. 2 minus 1. From that 1 we have to cross out. We will get the 1. 3 birds are there. And 2 we have to minus from it. So we have to do the cross on 2 birds. 3 minus 2 we will get the 1. Next is 4 bananas are there. 1 we will minus from it. So on the 1 we have to cross. Then 4 minus 1. How many remaining? 1, 2, 3. Next example, 5 birds are there. From that 2 birds we have to take away. So 2 birds we can cross it. 1, 2, 3 are remaining. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Here are the 8 toy cars. From that 7 we have to minus. Cross on the 7 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we will get only one card. So 8 में से 7 अगर जाते हैं तो सिर्फ एक ही बचती है. यहाँ पे फिशेस दिए हैं 9 फिशेस. तो 9 फिश में से आपको 5 माइनस करने हैं. क्रॉस ऑन द 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, 9 umbrellas are there. We have to cut the 3 umbrellas. Means take away the 3 umbrellas. See, 1, 2, 3. How many remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 9 minus 3. It is a 6. So, here are subtraction. From that subtraction exercise number 2 we have completed. Now student, here is the next point, that is the subtraction of the number line. We have to see the subtraction. In the second lesson what we have learned, that is addition on the number line. Now here subtraction. Subtraction means take away. We have to remove that number from that given number. That is the subtraction. Now we have to see the example 7 minus 3. We have to do the 7 minus 3. So let's jump on the 7. 0 to 7. And now minus 3. Keep in mind minus 3. यहाँ पे plus 3 होता तो हम लोग move forward. But यहाँ पे minus 3 है तो you have to jump backward. 1, 2, and 3. Here you will get the answer 4. Okay. Now let's check that answer is correct or wrong. Here 7 minus 3 मतलब 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. 7 minus 3. 3 cut करना है. 1, 2, 3. How many remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. ये सारे answer is correct. In this way you have to do on the number 9. Your second jump, second number जो है वो skip कहाँ पे करने हैं? आपको backward आना है. See the examples from the exercise number 3, that is 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. Let's jump from 0 to 5. And minus 1 मतलब 1 jump backward. Here is the answer 4. You also check the answer, that is 5. We will draw the lines 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, 1 we should cut. Then how many will be there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is the answer. Next is the question, that is 4 minus 3. You have to do the 4 minus 3. Let's jump on the 0 to 4. And from the 4, 3 you have to cut. So let's backward jump 1, 2 and 3. Answer will be a 1. 4 minus 3. Answer is 1. Next question is the 7 minus 2. Let's jump from 0 to 7. Here and minus 2 मतलब 2 jumps backward. 1 and 2. Answer is 5. 7 minus 2. Answer is 5. Now we have to see the vertical subtraction. So students, here we have to see the vertical subtraction. Okay, let's see. Horizontally I have written here, that is 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Horizontally I have written. How to write the vertically? See here. This 5 we have to write on this place. Then minus, then 3 and equal to means at the downside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to minus 3. So cut 3 lines. How many lines were there? 2. So answer is 2. In this way vertically you should do this. Now we will see the exercise number 4. 3 minus 2 I have written here vertically. So 3, 1, 2, 3 minus 2. 1 is the answer. 9 minus 3. Here we can do the vertical subtraction also in this way. Practice for it. Now we will see the properties of subtraction. Hello student, here is the properties of subtraction. First property is subtracting 0. Here are the 8 toffees given and minus 0 toffees. Then how many toffees we will get? We will get the 8 toffees. Means when we subtract 0 from the answer is the number itself. Now here is the second property, that is subtracting the same number. Here are the 7 balls and minus 7 balls we have to do, then no balls will be there. Means when a number is subtracted from itself, the answer is 0. This is the second property of subtraction. So here we can say subtracting the same number get the 0 answer. Now here is the next property, that is subtracting 1. 4 balloons are there, minus 1 balloon is equal to 3 balloons. Then means in addition also we have seen that here when we subtract from 1 from a number, the answer is a number just before the given number. Example, 4 ke before 3 are there, the answer is 3. Now students, we have to apply these properties in this exercise number 5. See, it is 9 minus 0 means 9 number 0 में से extract करेंगे, subtract करेंगे तो हमें कितने मिलेंगे? 9 itself. This is the property of subtraction. Next, 8 minus 8. With same numbers we have to subtract from the same number. Then what will we get? We get the 0. Yes. This is the second property. 4 minus dot dot is equal to 4. Yes, correct. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 4 में से 0 जाने के बाद 4 आता है. 3 minus 0. Yes, correct. Same number is there. 8 minus 1. Here is the third property, that is which number has given from that. If we have to subtract one number, then we will get the just before number from this. With 8 got just before number, which is the just before number? 7. Yes, correct. Here 5 minus 1 means 5 just before number, it is the 4. 9 minus how many means 8. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. 6 minus here we have got the answer 0. Means same number we have to subtract. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we have to see the exercise number 6. Here are the some word problem. We will take the one only. You have to solve at the home remaining. Here Mia has 6 apples. How many apples she is having? 6 apples. She eats 2 apples from them. From the 6 she eats the 2 apples. Then how many apples are left? Answer आपको लिखना है. Here 6 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. She eats the 2 apples. So cross over it. Then how many apples remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we get the answer 4. So 4 apples are remaining to the Ria. Here 4 apples are left. Answer is there. 4 apples are left. In this way you have to solve all the remaining exercise.